Hello everyone, we'll be looking at the student attendance score module in FEDINA. To access student attendance, we have to go to academics, and here we have attendance. So as a teacher, I'll be able to mark attendance of the students. So I have the attendance register where I'll be able to select the batch. So let's say this is the batch. And as per the batch, the students of the batch will list up here, along with the calendar for the current month. And the highlighted one here shows for today. The students can be marked absent for a previous date or for the current date. They cannot be marked absent for the future date. By default, the students as well as the employees are present in FEDINA. That being said, I'll be able to mark the student absent on the blank cell. So blank cell here denotes that the student is present. But if I want to mark a student absent, I'll be clicking on the blank cell like this. And I'll have to enter the reason for the absence and whether the student was absent in the full duration of the day or half of the day can be selected from here. And once this is done, it will be denoted by this sign. So I can see that there is one student who is absent for today. I can mark a student absent for a previous date as well. So I'll be clicking on that cell for which I want to mark him absent. And again, I'll be mentioning the reason here and whether the student is absent for the full duration or half of the day can be selected. So this is how we can mark students absent by giving the reasons. In case there is a long list of students and we do not wish to enter the reason every time, we can select this box which is for rapid attendance. So once we select this, we'll be able to mark the student absent just by clicking on the cell, and we can bypass the option of entering the reason for absence. So I'll be checking here. And now I'm just clicking on the cell and you can see it is not asking me for reason, it is only denoting that the student is absent. So this is how we can mark the attendance of the students. Then we have two kinds of reports that we can see. Let's see the attendance report first, where we can select the batch and the mode, which can be either monthly or overall attendance, and it shows the total number of working days since the starting of this batch and the total number of working days the students have attended in this batch, and also the percentages here. And I can filter this report based on a particular criteria. So let's say I want to see the students who have attendance above 80%. So I can select like this and I'll be getting the report, for which I can get the PDF or the CSV report again. So this is about the attendance report which can be seen for any particular batch and for a particular mode here. So it shows like this. Then we have the day-wise attendance report, which comes with FEDINA 3.4, where we can see the overall strength of the students in the school or in the institution. So in the institution, I have 96 students in all, out of which 94 are present for this date, which is today. I can change the date from here and see it for any other specific date. And here it lists all the courses and the batches that I have. And I'll also be able to see the absentees in a particular course. So here if I scroll, I'll be able to see the absentees like this. So for this batch, Kindergarten 1B 2014, there are 2 absentees for today. That is why the strength is 94 on 96. And on clicking on the batch name, I'll be able to see the name and the admission number of the absentees. So this is another kind of attendance report that we have in FEDINA. So this is how you can mark the attendance of the students and see the attendance reports. Be tuned in for more videos.